When we look at this picture, you can see a crocodile mouth wide open towards one side. Obviously, when the foot is offered to a crocodile, it will open its mouth wide open towards the larger size of the foot. So, we can easily identify the numbers by looking at this sign. This is greater than sign. So, wherever the number is larger, this sign has to be written towards the larger number. So, how can we compare two numbers? For example, if we consider two single digit numbers 3 and 9. We know that 9 is a bigger number when we compare these two. So, since this is bigger, the wider mouth should be faced towards the bigger number. Suppose we have two digit number, 10 on one side and 3 on the other. Which one is bigger one? 10 is bigger one. So the mouth has to be wide open towards 10. For example, if both the sides you have a number starting with 2. One side you have 22 and the other side 24. So first step is you have to check for the first digit number and identify which one is the highest one. Here both the sides you have the same number 2. So what we have to do is we have to skip on to the next number and compare the next digit. So next digit is 2 here and 4 on the other side. So when we compare the second digits 2 and 4, 4 is the bigger one and hence you will write the sign greater than symbol towards the side 4. The same way if larger numbers are given. So when two numbers are given in this kind, you can easily identify the biggest number by counting the number of digits in that number. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this side you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 only 4 digit number. So is 6 digit number greater or 4 digit number greater? Obviously 6 digit number is the greater one and hence we have to put the mouth of this wide open towards the greater number. So like this we can find out the greater number and smaller number by using this symbol. And here the next concept that we are going to learn in this exercise is about ascending and descending order. What do you mean by ascend? Ascend is going from bottom to the highest position. So if a boy is standing here down and if you want to go to the second floor or third floor, he has to go up. This is called ascending. Ascend. And suppose if anyone is standing here, a girl is standing here, if she has to come down the steps, this is descending. So ascending is from small to big. This is ascending. And descending means from big to small. So climbing up the stairs is ascending and coming down the staircase is descending order. So big to small, here also you will get many numbers of this kind. For example, here 5 buildings, height of 5 buildings are given here. If you want to arrange this in ascending order, you have to compare these numbers first and find out which is the smaller one, which is the lowest one. So here 355 is the smallest one. So first number will be 355 and you will write this sign. Because this is smaller, the wider mouth should not face this number. And the next number is 585. And the next one is 985. The next one 1245. Here in these two cases, here also you have 4 digits and here too 4 digits. So you have to compare each digit to find out the bigger one. So first digit is 1 in this case and here also it is 1. And here the second digit is 2 and here the second digit is 8. So when we compare this 2 and 8, we come to know that 1245 is smaller than 1865. So this is ascending order, that is small to big. And if you want to arrange this in the same numbers in the descending order, it will be the reverse of it. So descending order means big to small. So which is the biggest one here? 1865. Since this is bigger, the wider mark should face this number. And the next 1245, the same sign. 985, again the same sign. Then 585. Then at last 355. So this is a way to arrange a number from smallest to the bigger one, or from the biggest to the smallest one. And the number starting from small to big is called as ascending order, and if you are arranging the numbers from big to small, it is called as the descending order. And now creating new numbers. How will you create new numbers? Here various numbers are given. In place of 5, in place of ones here it is 5, in place of tens 8, in hundreds 4, and thousands 9. So 4 numbers are there, 9, 4, 8, 5. You can write this as 9485, or when you alter the numbers digits here, you can also write 9548 or 9458 or 9845. So you can alter the digits and form, you can create various numbers, 4-digit numbers, by using these single numbers in different places. So this is creation of new numbers. So here in this exercise, what all we are going to use is, we are going to find the greater than or lesser than numbers, and we will be creating new numbers by using the digits. And also when few numbers are given, we will be arranging it in ascending order and also in descending order. Now let's get into the exercise. The first sum here is, fill in the blanks with greater than or lesser than or equal to sign. So first question, compare the numbers on both the sides first. First compare the number of digits. Here you have 5 digits and here also 5 digits. So now compare each digit separately. First one is 4 here and here also 4. So they go to the next one, here 8, and next here also it is 8. And go to the third one, here it is 7 and this side it is 9. So compare this 7 and 9. Which one is bigger? 9 is bigger, and hence the wider mode should face this number. Is it clear? The same way, next one. Count the number of digits on the left hand side and on the right hand side. If we count on the left hand side, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 again. So in the same way, we will compare the digits one by one. The first digit is 1 here, here also it is 1, and it is 2 here on the left side and 2 on the right side 2. Next digit is 4 on the left side, 4 on the right side. Then the fourth digit is 8 on the left side and 6 on the right side. So compare these two numbers, 8 and 6. We know that 8 is a bigger one, and hence this number is bigger, so the wider mode should face this left hand side number. The next one, count the number of digits here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here also it is 6. First digit is 6, 6, 5, 5, 8, 8, 7, 7, 9, 4 and 9, 4, that side 2. So the left hand side number and the right hand side number are similar. So in this case, you will be writing equal to symbol, which shows that this number is equal to that side without any change. So here you have to put this equal to sign. Next, true or false. The difference between the smallest number of 7 digits and the largest number of 6 digits is 10. So how to find the smallest number and the largest number we learned in the previous exercise. So smallest means you must get 1 and 0 in your mind, and smallest number of 7 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the largest number of 6 digits. So largest means you must get 9 in your mind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this statement right? No, it is wrong. So hence you can write false here. Second one, the largest four-digit number formed by the digits 8609 using each digit only once is 9086. So you have to create new number using this four digits 860 and 9, and it is given as it is the largest number. So largest means you can arrange from the largest to the smallest one. So bigger to the smaller one. So which number is bigger one here? It is 9, 8, 6 and 0. So the largest four-digit number formed by the digits 8609 using each digit only once. So here too we have used only once. So the answer is 9860, but in the statement they have given 9086. So this statement is also false. Next one, the total number of four-digit numbers is 9000. So you have to count all the four-digit numbers. First four-digit number will be 1000. It consists of four digits. Next, from 1001 to 2000, 2001 to 3000, 3001 to 4000, 4001, 5000, 5001 to 6000, 6001 to 7000, 7001 to 8000, 8001 to 9000, 9001 to 9999. Here we can't write 10,000 because here we write 10,000, it consists of 5 digits, so this should not be taken into account. So here from 1001 to 2000 you have 1000 numbers, isn't it? And here 1000, so one number. Here also you have 1000, 1000, 1000. And here from 9001 to 9999 you have 999 numbers, isn't it? So 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000 plus this 999 and 1 together comes 1000. So all together there are 9000 numbers, that is 9000 four-digit numbers. So is this statement correct? The total number of four-digit numbers is 9000. Yes, it is right. So hence the answer is true for the third one. Then the sums, third sum of the numbers 1386787215. So 1386787215 and 1376988890 86720560. You must find out which is the largest and which one is the smallest one. So the largest will be, how to find the largest one? You must count the number of digits first. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 digits are here in the first number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits in the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits in the third one. So which will be the largest? Yes, this first number will be the largest number of the three. And the smallest, that number which consists of least number of digits, that is 86720560. So this will be the answer for the third one. Now, fourth sum is arrange the following numbers in the descending order. So what do you mean by descending order? Descending is arranging the number from big to small. So now compare these numbers and find out which one is the biggest one. So again what we have to do, we have to count the number of digits here in order to find out the biggest one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number consists of 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also it is 5. And here it is 4. And the last one again 5. So descending order means biggest number to the smallest number. So biggest number is with that number it consists of 6 digits. So 1, 2, 8, 4, 3, 5. This is the biggest one. So the wider mouth should be pointed towards the biggest number. Next, we have to compare these 4 numbers. Of this, 3 numbers consist of 5 digits. So of these 5 digit numbers, which one is the biggest? So compare the numbers. First digit is 1 here, 2 here, and 2 again this side also. So now compare these 2 numbers. The second digit, here 1 and here it is 5. So 5 is bigger than 1. So this number has to be written here since that is the bigger one. And the next number will be 2, 1, 3, 5, 4 since it is also starting with 2. And when you compare these 2 numbers, this consists of 5 digits and this one has 4 digits. So the 5 digit number is considered to be the bigger one than the 4 digit number. So 1, 0, 8, 3, 5 here and at the last 6, 3, 4, 8. So this will be the answer for this sum. So when any number of numbers are given here, you have to compare all these numbers together and then find out the biggest number of the given numbers and first number has to be written here. Next one, write any 8-digit number in 6 and 10 lakhs place and 9 in 10,000 place. So already we learned about the place value. So what is the place value of in Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what you must write? Write any 8-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So lakhs, 10 lakhs and then next one will be crore. So 6 in the 10 lakhs place. So in place of 10 lakhs you will write 6 and 9 in 10,000 place. So in place of 10,000 you will write 9. So what they are asking is write any 8-digit number. So any 8-digit number means all these places can be filled in by any number that you like. The exception is you must write 6 only in this 10 lakhs place and 9 only in this 10,000 place. This should not be altered. Rather than other dashes can be filled in with any numbers that you want. So this sum, the answer for this sum is not very particular except this 6 and 9 which has to be placed only in these places. And other numbers you can alter and write in whatever way you want. Then sixth one, Rajan writes a 3-digit number using the digits 4, 7 and 9. What are the possible numbers he can write? So you must use only these digits 4, 7 and 9. So what are the possible ways he can alter the numbers, that is change the numbers and form 3-digit numbers differently. So the first one can be 479 and the next number he can alter and write 497, then 794, 749, 947, 974. Is there any other way to write this for the digits in a different form? No. You can't form any other numbers except these 6 3-digit numbers. Then 7th one, the password to access my ATM card includes the digits 9, 4, 6 and 8. So you must use only 9, 4 and 6 and 8 as the password of an ATM card. It is the smallest 4-digit even number. So it is even number and it is the smallest 4-digit even number. So how can you form a smallest 4-digit number first out of these 4 digits? So smallest means the small number has to come here. So 4, 6, 8 and 9. This can be the smallest number that you can form by using the digits 9, 4, 6 and 8. But one thing is given as it should be the smallest 4-digit even number. So even number means what? The last digit must end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If it ends with 0, 2, 4 and 6 and 8 only, that particular number is called as a even number. But here it is ending with 9, so this is not an even number. So here you can shift this 9 to this place and 8 here to form the smallest 4-digit even number. So 4, 6, 9, 8 will be the answer for this sum. So 4698. This will be the smallest 4-digit even number. Next one. Postal index number consists of 6 digits. The first 3 digits are 631. Make the largest and the smallest postal index number by using the digits 0, 3 and 6. So what is postal index number? It is PIN number. PIN code we will say no. The PIN code consists of 6 digits. And the first number is given as 6, 3 and 1. You have to fill in the rest of the numbers. So you must find the largest and the smallest number. And what digits has to be used? You must use only 0, 3 and 6. The first number remains the same. So it is 6, 3 and 1. So if it is largest, arrange the numbers, all these 3 digits from bigger to smaller one. So bigger number of these is 6, next is 3 and last comes 0. And the smallest one, the first 3 numbers will remain the same. So as it is 631 you can write. And you must arrange it from small to the big one. So how can you arrange which is the smallest one? It is 0, 3 and 6. So the largest number will be 631, 630 and the smallest will be 631, 036. And this is the answer for this 8th one. Next, the heights in meters of the mountains in Tamil Nadu are as follows. So, different names of mountains are given and the height of those mountains is also given respectively. So, first one mountain is Doddabetta. The height of that mountain is 2637 meters. And second one is Mahendragiri, which is 1647. And Anamudi 2695. And Velaigiri 1778. So, after observing this tabular column, you have to answer these questions which comes under the table. What is the first question? Which is the highest mountain listed above? So, after comparing these 4 numbers, we can see that here also it is 26, here also it is 26. And so, compare the third digit 3 and here it is 9. So, which is the highest one? It is Anamudi. So, which is the highest mountain listed above? You can write Anamudi. Then, order the mountains from the highest to the lowest. So, from the highest to the lowest means it is in the descending order, that is big to small. So, which is the highest one? Anamudi. So, first you can write Anamudi. This is the highest. So, the wider node should face this Anamudi. Then, next one will be Doddabetta. And the third one, compare these 2 numbers. The first digit is 1 and 1. Second digit is 6 and 7. So, which is the bigger one? Velaigiri. And the last one will be Mahendragiri. So, we have arranged the mountains from the highest to the lowest by seeing the heights from the tabular column. Then third one, what is the difference between the heights of the mountains Anamudi and Mahendragiri? So Anamudi and Mahendragiri, these 2 mountains, you must find the difference in heights. So which is the highest one here after comparing these 2? It is Anamudi. So the height of Anamudi is 2695 And the next one, Mahendragiri. Height of Mahendragiri is 1647. You must find the difference. How will you find the difference? That is, you must subtract these two numbers. So you can't subtract 7 from 5. So you are borrowing, 9 becomes 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1048 meters. So the difference in heights between Anamudi and Mahendragiri is 1048 meters. Then we move on to objective type questions. The first one, which list of numbers is in order from the smallest to the largest? And here also we have to compare the numbers and then only you can find out the smallest to largest number. So let's compare the first one, 1, 4, 6 and 8, 1, 4, 8 and 6 and 1, 4, 8 and 4. So here 3 digits are same. Sorry, 1, 4, 6 here, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. But this one 86 is bigger than 84. So it is not arranged in from smallest to the largest one. So this is not the right answer. Let's compare the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5 and 2, 2, 3, 5. So this is the smallest one and it is also not arranged from small to the largest one. So that is also not the answer. Come to the option C. So 1, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, 1, 3, 4, 2, 0, 8 and 1, 5, 4, 2, 0, 3. Here the numbers, this is the smallest number. Here when you compare these two, 1, 3, 4, 2 is the common in both the numbers and when you last two digits are 0, 5 and 0, 8. So this is smaller than the next one. And here 1, 5, 4, 2. So of these two numbers, this one is the biggest one. So this is arranged from the smallest to the largest and hence option C is the right answer. 11th one, the Arabian Sea has an area of 1491,000 square miles. This area lies between which two numbers? So it is 1491. So that is 1491. Leave out these three zeros. 1489 is there and 1492 comes here. So after 89, 91 will surely come in between these two numbers alone. So option A is the right answer. Then 12th one, the chart below shows the number of newspapers sold as per Indian Readership Survey in 2018. Which could be the missing number in the table? So name of the newspaper is given as A, B, C and D and rank for those newspapers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sold in lakhs. So the newspaper A is sold for 70 lakhs. Number of newspapers sold, option A is 70 lakhs and B is 50 lakhs and the last one D is 10. So of these numbers, which one will come in between this 50 and 10 because this has been written in the reducing order, that is in the descending order. So will 8 come in between 50 and 8? 50 and 10? No. Will 52 come here in between these two numbers 50 and 10? No. 77 also won't come. So the option D, 26 has to be written here. So 26 is the right answer. So with this, exercise 1.2 is completed, children. So practice it well. Thank you.